In 2026, automated algorithms determine eligibility for mortgages, car loans, and mobile phone contracts. If your data doesn't perfectly align with these specific rules, the financial system remains completely closed to you. We are moving past general advice. Today, we are executing a fast-action credit audit designed to bring your data into alignment with what these algorithms require. Gather these tools to begin. You need a laptop, your primary banking app, and exactly 3 years of your physical address history. Completing this specific sequence of actions provides the necessary data for the credit algorithms to recalculate your standing. Most users see these updates reflected in their reports within 30 to 45 days. These 3 credit reference agencies manage your profile: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They collect your financial history for lenders. Open 3 browser tabs to access their free consumer platforms: MSE Credit Club, ClearScore, and Credit Karma. Avoid the premium subscription prompts. You're looking for the statutory report, which is a basic, comprehensive copy of your credit file that these agencies are legally required to provide for free. You have completed this step when you can see 3 different credit score numbers across your screen. Different 2026 UK lenders pull their data from different agencies. Reviewing all 3 is the only way to ensure there are no errors on one report that could lead to an automatic rejection from a specific lender. This gov.uk portal serves as the official anchor for your identity verification. Go to gov.uk/register to vote and submit your details to register at your current physical address. Submit the form and ensure you reach this green Application Submitted screen. Automated lending algorithms use the electoral roll to cross-reference your identity. Without this registration, the system cannot verify who you are, which often leads to a refusal of credit. This gauge represents credit utilization. This is the percentage of your total credit limit that you are currently using, and it is a major factor in how algorithms calculate your score. Log into your credit card accounts. To improve your data profile, pay down existing balances before your monthly statement is generated. Aim to bring total utilization below the 25% threshold. This signals you are not over-reliant on borrowed money. Even if you have old credit cards with a 0 balance that you no longer use, do not close the accounts. Keeping those old accounts open maintains a higher total credit limit. This mathematically lowers your overall utilization percentage, providing the specific data profile lenders look for in a reliable borrower. We can now use open banking to include your everyday bills in your score. Open banking is a secure system that allows you to share your transaction data with regulated financial services. Log into Experian or a specialized rent tracking app like Canopy and follow the prompts to link your primary bank account. Review the permissions and complete the setup until you see the bank-linked success notification. Once linked, the system scans your history for consistent payments toward your council tax, your regular monthly rent, and subscriptions like Netflix. Open banking provides the algorithms with documented evidence of reliability, which can trigger a points increase on modern scoring platforms. You have now anchored your identity, optimized your credit ratios, and linked your payment data across all 3 reports. This calendar shows the time required for these changes to take effect. Credit agencies process data in monthly batch cycles rather than in real time. Mark your calendar for 45 days from today. Log back into your 3 apps on that date to review your updated score and verify that the algorithm has processed these changes. If your score remains low, you must check your reports for unauthorized errors or incorrect financial links from the past. Removing errors is the final step in securing your financial standing. Click the video on screen now for a 5-minute template on how to dispute and delete mistakes from your file.